Welcome back, guys, to another video. Been a long time. We've got our engine update here. So the head of our engine, if you've seen in the last video, we were pulling valves out and we did some lapping, but then we found a broken valve stem guide, so now that's at the rebuilders, getting a new one replaced, and I think they have to cut the seat and reseat the valve stem guide, so it was a bit of out of our league, so get the professionals to do it, but should be back very soon. So if you come over here, we'll have a look at this cylinder one, piston one. You can see damage down on that piston here. Bring it back up the top. Something's been in there, metal, right on the edge. We're not happy about that, so we're going to be pulling the whole engine block out of the car. So we're going to have to take the gearbox off and all sorts, and pull the whole block out, and we're going to pull piston one right out of the block, and then we'll do some checks on the side of the piston, make sure it hasn't wrecked any the piston rings or anything like that. What dodgy deals are going on under here?
A few dodgy things happening under here. Well, to get the gearbox out, I've got to take the drive shaft off, so I'll start there. Just take the hanger bearing out.
Oh yeah.
And then I was trying to do a bit of a half job to see if I could save some time, but I can't, so I'll put the hanger back in place.
Oh,
and then I'll undo the bolts and do it the hard way.
old half jobs.
I was trying to do a half job.
At least we've got 4 axle stands, eh?
4 axle stands is good.
So pulling the old starter motor out here. It already is on. Really? Hold on. Here we go and put the handbrake on. Oh, it's up tight as. Rightio, so Trent's drained the oil out of the gearbox, and I have disconnected a bit of wiring, starter motor, and all the other options available in the RV25 Det Neo. And pretty much we're going to just drop the gearbox on the ground and undo 2 engine mount bolts, and we'll take this off also and pull it out. So yeah, times are a bit tough, so we're recycling our gearbox oil because it's actually brand new. So this is just what we're doing because we're trying to save costs. That's brand new oil.
It's all good, brother.
Brother!
Ooh, brother.
Ooh, brother!
It's all good. Keep the oil. I can't see, I'm probably spilling most of it.
No, you actually got it fucking bang on, mate.
Oh, beautiful.
Just bring it forward. Yeah, all got up. Look at that.
This is brand new oil, never been used. So,
What is it?
gearbox oil.
Oh.
But we run it in the engine as well, to save costs.
Oh well. Don't spill it. Rightio. So we're just taking these 2 top gearbox out that lots of people seem to leave out because they reckon it's too hard. But they're not actually that hard at all to get out. Alright. Just a bit of finger magic.
Finger magic?
Finger magic.
Oh, hell.
Finger magic.
Too many beers.
Yeah.
So what are you doing under there?
Pulling the cross member bolts out. Alright, gearbox. Oh, we need can you pass me a 10mm spanner and I'll pull this speedo unit out.
Yes, boss. Affirmative.
Now.
You meant to say now, can't.
Oh, guessed it.
Oh, fuck. That's more major, is it? Shit!
I just see it.
What do you got going on there?
What's yours?
Fucking dodgy shit's going on here. What the fuck?
Oh, you should be able to just flip this.
Mm.
Here's one. I know you can put a bar on the inside of it. Helpful. Yeah, that was it. Just got to go to the slide the jack back now, bro. Yeah, the switch in case it's still rolling. Okay. Alright. That's looking good. I think that's to go down, eh? I think. Something put in. Yeah. It's coming down. Oh, not fast, hold on. That's it. Cross my head. Yep. Ready? Yep. If it drops, it drops. Come back now. That's it. It's gonna go down. Do we have to take it out any further? No. I think that's it. Do you know what I mean? Eh? Oh, we'll leave it.
So yeah, we've got some beanies all ordered and on the way. So if you guys want a beanie, $25 each. They're pretty cool. Good starters. We've got some stickers. Thought we might as well start getting our merch underway now. Hey,
Yeah, a bit of the merch has already gone out, which is cool. Thanks to Andrew at Go For A Drive. Really digs it in for us, eh?
yeah, he goes hard and sorts us out. Does all the hard work that we can't be bothered. Good man. Check out the Go For Drive page on Facebook, Instagram. Hopefully this pole just stays standing. Probably unbolted one more.
Oh, fuck. Wound in. Not finger tight.
Getting some cool messages from people saying they follow the YouTube channel on TikTok and stuff. It's cool to hear from people and, you know. That's what it's all about. Up there again. Who would have thought we'd be back here?
Yeah, without even driving it.
Where are we going this year?
Carnival. We're going to Carnival, boys. You may have heard this before, but we are going. This time with this car. So that's why we're here, night shifting right now. It's 3 AM. We're digging it in. We'll get these jobs done and we'll get this car going, don't you worry.
For the fans, eh?
Yep, dead right for me.
Buy some merch. Rightio, so the road car R32's off to go and get a warrant today. So let's hope it passes. I've done all the rear subframe bushes, as you see in the last videos, and that was one of the things he picked up last time. So let's hope that we're good to go this time, and we go straight through. Cheers. Just got back from getting a warrant and fresh airs. Look at that. Only a couple of things that we need to work on. Oh, rear tyres low. Oh no. Oh well. check this out. Just got delivered this lock diff and some axles. Cheers from the brother Ollie. He wanted to buy a clutch, so he said I'll sell you these different axles. So got a good deal, couldn't refuse. The diff will be going in the track car. Fresh Lockie, we're on. So as you can see, we've got all the flywheel and clutch assembly off. Gonna strap the motor onto the engine frame, onto the, what do we call it?
Engine stand.
Stand.
Standing there.
Ooh, fresh warrant on the fucking road car we're fucking on. Sweet. Should be able to drop this off. So yeah, we've got the engine upside down, drain the oil. Just gonna pull out all these bolts, pull the sump off, and get ready to pull a piston out, eh?
Get that piston out. Might end up taking out 2 pistons. Number 6 might need looking at as well, maybe, depending on what number 1 looks like. But yep, stand by.
So we're undoing those 2 there, so we can drop that piston out. And also possibly that one, number 6.
Yep, it's working. As you can see, the piston's slowly coming out. Yep, it's out. Oh, well.
How are we looking? Is that rough?
Not really, looks alright.
Is that where the worst damage is?
About the same on this side, if not maybe a bit more.
Ooh. Let's feel it.
We can get that out though.
Alright, yeah. Sandpaper. Sweet. So yeah, as you can see here, guys, there's a couple of marks there, but they're not actually indented in the bore. It's just like a wipe mark, even though it looks bad on the camera. But I've got a honing tool, so we'll give it a quick hone just to take it out. But the rest of it's pretty good. It looks worse on the camera than what it is. They're not indented in the bore. So Trent's just repairing that piston down there. I'm just setting up our hone here just to give this a quick hone. Get the battery drill and some cutting fluid. I'll put a rag down the bottom there so nothing goes in. And yeah, we'll see how we get on, I guess. Doesn't need much. So Trent's just torquing up our number 1 piston we pulled out. Looking pretty good, I think. What do you reckon?
Looking really good. Just what I'm doing is, because we've only pulled 1 piston out, and we want to make sure the torque is the same across all 6 piston conrods, what I'm doing is just double checking, cross-referencing the number 6, number 4 and number 1, so then we get it bang on. So currently at 40, I'm going to go to 46 and then see where that takes us, because it's actually 20 newton meters plus 65 degrees, but we'll just make sure that they're the same across all the pistons.
Click, click, clock.
So you can hear the torque wrench clicking, which isn't actually putting any more spin on the nut or compression. So it's stopping, telling us that it's met its target. So got a little bit more out of that one. A bit more out of that one. So I've got a bit more.
So yeah, as you can see, I've honed this cylinder here. It's come up really good. Used my honing tool here that I've got when I had my dirt bike and rebuilt it. Just on a battery drill, easy as. So yeah, we'll put this piston back in and do it up, and then that's all the bottom end complete. We just got to wait for the head to come back from the rebuilders, and we'll put it all back together, and hopefully we're back on track. We're on.
So we're pretty happy with the looks of the pistons. I mean, you could go through and swap them out if you're being real pedantic, but we're at that stage where we've got them full round and no damage on the tops of the pistons anymore. So our next stage is to put the sump back on, which we've just got sitting there at the moment while we move it to the side. And we're gonna then get the head back from the rebuilders. We've got a new head gasket to go on. We've got the new valves that have gone into the head. We've got new everything, cam belt, water pump, tensioners, seals, the whole lot. So we're going to build it on the stand, and we'll end up putting the gearbox on, maybe not sure yet. We'll decide whether to put it on, put it in as one. Gearbox is still under the car, and then we'll carry on. So yeah, really good result on what we found with the pistons. So we're happy to move on, get the head put on. So yeah, stand by, there'll be a new video. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all the new subscribers that have come through. Our goal is to get to 1,000 before we head to Carnival. So yeah, I'll start talking about Carnival. We are taking the track car. We will take this one to Carnival this year. I know I've said it before, but a little bit of a setback buying a dud motor, and we're trying to get some money back off that guy at the moment. So a bit of an issue there. We've chased him down. He said he would pay and still hasn't. So yeah, drummers. Anyway, we're pushing on, and we'll get this car to Carnival. Don't you worry. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following. Leave us a like. Leave us a comment. Appreciate it. Cheers.